Hi, how you doing? Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. On the menu today, as you can see, they're just finished. We're doing a lovely pumpkin soup, curried. Nice bit of curry powder in there. Absolutely delicious, healthy, vegetarian, vegan, delicious. Let's get on with it. All right, let's get started on this one. Really beautiful. So pumpkin, you can use squash or pumpkin. Some people call it the same thing, but there's a few variants of it. What I've done is just peeled that off, nice hard skin on it. So you peel that off and then scoop out the little kind of dry, fleshy sort of seeds inside. So you end up just with these cubed vegetables: potato, onion, carrot. Now you can see the carrot, the onion and the potato are about 50% in volume to the pumpkin. Coconut milk, tablespoon of garlic ginger paste, 1 tablespoon of curry powder. This is a homemade one. If I remember, I'll leave the link at the end to how to make that. And here I've got 2 teaspoons of fennel seeds. I think they're beautiful in this. That's about it. A few other little bits. Let's go. So you're going to need a large pot with a lid, and you're going to need some oil. I'm using coconut oil, but of course you could be using something else if you wanted. So I'm just going to melt that down. I'll be back in just a moment. Okay, so this is so simple. We're first going to start off by dropping in those fennel seeds, which I think are really beautiful. Then we're going to go onion, carrot, potato, and pumpkin. So as you can hear, we're on quite a high-ish heat. About 3 minutes, keep it moving. So just 3 minutes just to get it started. Obviously extremely hard still. Next up, we're going to go in with our garlic ginger paste. The tablespoon of that. Garlic ginger paste is a 50-50 mix of garlic and ginger. We're going to drop in the curry powder. We're going to add salt. We're going to hit this with some black pepper. And we're going to go for about another 3 or 4 minutes. Again, staying on this high heat and moving it often. See you then. Fantastic, coming together really nicely. What I'm going to do now is I'm going to add some liquid, and I'm just using water. If you want, you could use some stock or something if you want. So there's enough water in there to cover it, and just a little bit. What we're going to do now is pop a lid on this. Bring that to a boil. Once it reaches boiling point, turn the heat down a little bit. Nice rolling boil. We're looking for baby food here. Super soft. Probably going to be about 12 to 15 minutes. Okay, so off goes the heat. Let's get the lid off, get some steam out this side so it doesn't go on the camera. And what we've got is really nice, soft vegetables. Now we're going to liquidize this. Now you can put it into a jug, blender if you want. I've got one of those things that go in, zoom, zoom, zoom. I'll do that, I'll be back in a moment. And there you go, look at that, fantastic. Really nice and smooth. Just gonna add in that coconut milk. Like a cup of coconut milk there. That's gonna really smooth it out. Check that for salt, it's going to be fantastic for me. Let me get that in a bowl. See you at the table. All right, and there you go. Super, super easy, absolutely delicious, cheap, healthy, good for you, vegetarian, vegan. Hope you enjoy that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel, please. Give us a thumbs up, leave us a comment. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.